Hi, in this video I will show you how to restore deleted call history on the Android. So accidentally you deleted your call history and now you need it. So how you can export your history? You can simply follow this procedure. So first of all you have to open your browser and you have to create a new tab. Once you will create a new tab, you have to search for the call log manager or call history like this. Once you will search for it, now you have to scroll up and here you will see multiple links. You have to search for the one link that is belong to the filehippo.com. Here you will see download call history manager apk. You have to tap on it. Once you will tap on it, now you have to download it from here. And once you will download it, simply you have to install it on your phone. So it's downloading now. Once it will download, install it on your phone, and once you will install it on your phone, you will see it like this. Now you have to tap on it and it will open it. After that, on the top you will see a export call log. You will see all of your call history data in this application. So simply you have to download the CVS file in your phone to see the history of your call. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.